Recently, I embarked on a unique journey, a 3-day meditation retreat in a secluded cave. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A cave? Really? But let me tell you, it was one of the most transformative experiences of my life. Picture this: a simple entrance, nestled amidst lush greenery, surrounded by the sounds of nature and the gentle whispers of the wind. It was a world away from the noise of everyday life, a place where I could escape the relentless buzz of notifications and the pressures of work. As I stepped inside, I felt an immediate wave of calm wash over me. The cave was unadorned, stripped of distractions, and that simplicity was freeing. I set up my minimalistic sleeping arrangements and created a small meditation space. Meals were basic, just some fruits, nuts, and a bit of water, but they nourished me in ways I had never experienced before. It was incredible how letting go of the usual complexities of life allowed me to truly savor what I consumed. No fancy meals, just pure sustenance that filled not just my body but also my spirit. As the sun dipped below the horizon, I watched the day transition into night. Solitude enveloped me, and it was during those quiet moments that I began to find clarity. With no office tasks to worry about, no deadlines looming over my head, my mind began to untangle itself. Thoughts that had once felt like knots started to loosen. Solutions to long standing problems emerged effortlessly, as if they had been waiting for me to carve out this time to listen. It was like a fog lifting, revealing a landscape of possibilities that had been hidden under layers of stress and distraction. The nights were truly magical. Under the vast expanse of stars, I felt a deep connection to the universe. The silence amplified every thought, turning reflection into gratitude. I would lie on a blanket, gazing up at the stars, feeling small yet profoundly significant in the grand scheme of things. Each twinkle felt like a reminder of the beauty in simplicity, of the vastness of life that exists beyond our daily struggles. In those moments, I was reminded that I am a part of something much larger than myself, and that realization filled me with peace. By the end of the third day, I felt like a new person, joyful, peaceful, and full of purpose. It was as though I had received a blessing, a renewal of mind, body, and spirit. Walking out of that cave, I carried with me not just memories of my time spent in solitude, but also a newfound sense of clarity and intention. I had learned the importance of disconnecting to reconnect. In the stillness of that cave, I found a sanctuary within myself, a place where I could hear my own thoughts and feelings without the clamor of the outside world drowning them out. It's easy to forget in our busy lives that we need moments like this, moments to pause, reflect, and simply be. So I encourage you to seek out your own moments of peace, whether it's a quiet corner in your home, a walk in the park, or yes, even a secluded cave if you can find one. Make the time to disconnect. You might just discover a part of yourself that has been waiting to be heard. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this inspired you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Where would you go to find your peace? Thanks for watching video.